Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. First I'm going to start off with my eyebrows already filled in. I know, honey, they look stressed out, but they filled in. And I concealed them with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey. And now I'm just going back in and priming my lids with the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Medium Beige. I'm going to blend it out with my finger and follow it up with the Beauty Blender. Now I'm going to set that with my Laura Mercier powder with the powder brush from Vanity Planet. And then I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Modern Mattes 28 eyeshadow palette. With the e.l.f. eye crease brush, I'm going to take that orange reddish shade and I'm going to use that as my transition color. After I have my transition color blended, well, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Day and Night Sister Color eyeshadow palette with the medium blender brush from Vanity Planet. And I'm going to go in with that gold color for my eyebrow highlight. After that, I'm going to just go back in with that eye crease brush that I used to pick up that orange red shade and just blend those two colors together. Okay, after that, I'm going with the blending eye brush from e.l.f. and I'm going back in the Modern Mattes palette and take that plum color and put that in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with my crease shadow brush from Vanity Planet and go back into that Modern Mattes palette and get that darker purple color and go back in and intensify the outer corners of my eyes. Now I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl Concealer in Medium Beige and my rounded liner brush from Vanity Planet. And I'm going to cut my crease a third of the way. Then I'm going to go in with the pointed lip brush from Royal Atlantical collection and just blend that out. Now I'm moving on to the BH Cosmetics Full Eyes 28 color eyeshadow palette, and then I'll be taking the Duo eyeshadow adhesive in clear white and just putting on that 1/3 of a part of my eyelid just so that the shadow could stick a bit more. And I will be going in with the e.l.f. smudge brush and the Sephora Amplifier beauty setting spray. And I'm just replacing that color over my lid. Didn't like how that was applying, so I'm gonna go back in with my precision concealer brush from Vanity Planet. I'm just go back in and blend everything out. And now that I'm done with my eyes for now, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my face. Taking the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I'm going to prime my face all over. And I'm going to follow that with the Sephora Teint Infusion Natural Finish Foundation. And I normally go for a light to medium coverage because I normally like for my moles to still show. And I'm going to go in with the foundation brush from Royal Linical and just smooth that foundation out over my face. And then I'm just going to follow that up with my beauty blender. And I normally just take the product down my neck, whatever is left over. I don't put foundation on my neck and blend it out, but to each his own. But I just blend whatever I have down. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer and Warm Honey and conceal under my eyes. A little bit on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose. And I'm going to go in and blend that out with the butt of my beauty blender. And then I'm going to follow that up immediately with my Laura Mercier powder. And then continue blending out the rest of the concealer. I blend and then set immediately after I blend. Now I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer in Beautiful Bronze. Just to cream contour a little bit. I normally don't cream contour my nose. I just let my natural contour do its thing on my nose. And I'm going in with the angled shader brush from Royal Lenticle and start to blend that out. I'm just continue to blend everything out. Then I'm gonna go back in on my beauty blender to further blend. Then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in medium tan. And I'm going to take my angled contour brush from Vanity Planet and go in and set that cream contour. Now I'm going to go in with the cosmetic sponge and just clean up under my contour with my Laura Mercier setting powder. Then I'm just go back in and dust all the excess powder away. And then I'm gonna go back in with my Beauty Amplifier and setting spray from Sephora and set my face all over. Then I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated highlighter with my large fan brush from Vanity Planet and just highlight my cheeks. And I'm gonna just follow it up with the highlighting color in the Abh Contour Kit. And then I'm gonna go back to my eyes with the Maybelline Mega Plush mascara. And I'm gonna apply a coat to my top and bottom lashes. Then I'm going to move on to my lips with the with the NYX matte lip liner in Cherry Skies. And then I'm going to follow that with the WetnWild matte lipstick in Cherry Bomb. And I didn't even much like this lip combo, but here's the look. I just blotted that off and added some Vaseline. Here's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.